The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Pro represents a significant leap forward in smartwatch technology, offering users an unparalleled combination of style, functionality, and performance. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro exudes sophistication with its premium materials and refined design elements. Samsung should stick to aluminum for the standard Galaxy Watch 7, with either stainless steel or titanium for a hypothetical Watch 7 Classic or Watch 7 Pro. All Watch 7 models should keep the same rating against shock damage and their typical IP68 dust and water resistance. We can expect 1.3 or 1.5-inch AMOLED displays, along with a digital bezel along the edge for sliding through menus. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro is powered by Samsung's latest Exynos processor, ensuring smooth performance and responsiveness across all tasks and applications. Whether you're checking notifications, streaming music, or downloading apps from the Galaxy Store, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro effortlessly handles whatever you throw at it. Given Samsung's focus this year on AI processing, we wonder if this chip upgrade will have any sort of NPU improvement as well. For now though, this is only speculation. We also assume it will keep the same 2 GB of RAM as last generation, though we hope it'll finally give us more than 16 GB of storage. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 should jump to 32 GB of storage, giving users more leeway to stream more music or try out more apps without having to delete others first. We've also heard that Samsung will jump to Wear OS 5 in 2024, though we don't know any specifics yet about its upgrades over Wear OS. The only rumor we've heard so far regarding the Galaxy Watch 7 series is that the new watches will come equipped with a 3nm Exynos chipset produced by Samsung, according to Korean outlet New Daily. Samsung itself is months off from deciding on a Galaxy Watch 7 release date, but there's a clear pattern to suggest an August 2024 launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 at its summer Unpacked event. Beyond that, the Galaxy Watch 7 will undoubtedly bring back Samsung's wireless charging puck with at least 10-watt charging speed, the latest Bluetooth standard, and all of the global navigational satellite systems like GPS and GLONASS. Battery life has always been a concern for smartwatch users, but the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro addresses this with its long-lasting battery that can easily last through a full day of use on a single charge. Galaxy Watch 7 buyers would accept a slightly thicker design in exchange for another 10-15 hours of battery life, though others would prefer a more petite design. We hope it stays at $300 and up, but we also wouldn't be surprised if Samsung tried $330 with the Galaxy Watch 7. It just depends on what kind of upgrade Samsung offers to justify the cost. As for the alleged Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, it could match the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro price, $450, but it's more likely that Samsung will inflate the price even higher, given the 2-year gap between them. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Pro sets a new standard for what a smartwatch can be. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and unparalleled functionality, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro is the ultimate companion for users seeking to elevate their everyday experiences and lead healthier, more connected lives. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Until next time, happy exploring!